Breaking news. Sad and strange events have occurred today as a man and several others found dead in the city of Savannah. Investigators are perplexed by these events as they can't find a plausible cause for their sudden end. Although
Good morning.
police say they may have heard a sneeze of some sort. Let's bring you into it.
Did you just sneeze?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, well, bless you. Okay, you can't tell me whatever that just was a sneeze. What are you doing? Are you holding it in?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want the germs to fly everywhere. So, why do you care so much?
Well, don't you wonder where that stuff goes? Well, it goes straight to your head.
You're a little close. Could you move back a little?
Are you serious? Just let it out.
I'm fine. See, nothing happened. See? Nothing happened.
Well, Pipe, I tried to tell him. Oh, crap.
No. Again, hello. I can't quite see you, but thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little video of ours. And please subscribe, smash that like button if you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next ones. I'll see you around.